If you want to print a full page in Microsoft Word and make sure it looks clean, properly sized, and ready to go, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you're printing a document for school, work, or personal use, getting the page to print correctly can save you time and help avoid wasted paper. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Word tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document you want to print. Before you even click print, it's a good idea to check how the page is laid out, because the way your document is formatted will affect how much content appears on the page. If your goal is to print the full page without anything getting cut off, you want to make sure your margins, page size, and zoom settings are set correctly. Now, if you're trying to fit more content onto one page, or make sure the page fills properly when printed, go to the Layout tab at the top of Word. From there, check your margins. Standard margins usually work well, but if your content is too close to the edge or getting clipped, you may need to adjust them. You can also check the page size to make sure it matches the paper you're using, like letter or A4. This is important because if the paper size in Word doesn't match your printer paper, the output may not print the full page the way you expect. Next, take a look at the content itself. If you have text that is too large, images that extend beyond the page, or extra spacing between paragraphs, that can affect the final print. You may need to select the text and use the font size box on the Home tab to reduce the size slightly. If there are images or tables, click on them and resize them so they stay within the page boundaries. This helps ensure everything appears on the page instead of being pushed off the edge. Once your document looks right on screen, go to File and then choose Print. This opens the print preview, which is one of the most important parts of the process. Here, Word shows you exactly how the page will look when printed. Look carefully at the preview to make sure the full page is visible and nothing is missing. If the preview cuts off part of the page, go back and adjust the margins, page orientation, or font size until it fits properly. If needed, you can also change the orientation from portrait to landscape. This is especially helpful for wide tables, charts, or documents with large images. Sometimes switching orientation is all it takes to print the full page neatly. You can also look for scaling options in the print settings. In many versions of Word, there is an option to fit the document to the paper size or print all pages at actual size. Choosing the right option depends on whether you want the document to stay exactly the same size or shrink slightly so the whole page prints. After that, choose your printer and make sure the paper settings match what you're using. Then click Print. Once the job starts, your full page should print based on the settings you chose. So to recap, open your document, check the layout, adjust margins and page size if needed, use the print preview to confirm everything fits, and then print the document. That's the easiest way to print a full page in Microsoft Word without cutoffs or formatting issues. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.